how to find and share the Stripe link after you've created it. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to provide you with a very simple tutorial that you can easily, that it will help you easily find and share it from the Stripe dashboard after you've created a link. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. For that, go to the Stripe dashboard first and log in into your account. Once you are logged in, go to the left menu and click on the option called Payments. Drop it down and select the option of Payment Links from the menu that pops up. Now, here we'll be seeing a list of all the payment links that we have created. Once we see it, we can click on the payment link name that we want to share. For example, this one right here. After that, here we'll be finding a URL. This is the link we'll be finding. If you want to copy it, you can click on this copy link button right here, and Stripe will copy the URL to the clipboard. You can share the link via anywhere. So go over and go ahead and share the link to anyone through email, WhatsApp, or messaging application, website, or social media, and QR code. Even if you have generated a QR code, you can use that. And when customers open the link, they will be taken to the Stripe dashboard. Check out Page to complete out the payment directly. And you can also check how many payments were made from the link inside the payment links dashboard. And that's it. So that is it, everybody. We hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.